so you're gonna need the hex tool. Make sure you have the whole set, because some of them are larger in size, some of the screws are smaller. So I will start with the smaller one. So we need to remove both sides of these sets underneath the seat. So here we go again. Here we go. Just go on anti-clockwise, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. So the reason I wear hand gloves is because as you don't want your hands to be greasy, because you don't know when the last time the seat was opened. There's going to be a lot of dirt and all that, so you don't, if you're like me, want to protect your hand, just do that. It's easy to remove this bit. You just have to wiggle a little bit and it will come out itself. Easy. So just a little bit wiggle here. Ta-da! So this one side is that. Just keep it on one end. So the trick is to keep the left one on your left hand side of your bike and the right one on the right hand side of your bike. You know, you don't want to mix up these the fairings. Okay. Right, so the next one is the big one. You can see right underneath the seat. So you're gonna need a bigger one, X tool. So just grab the bigger one. Okay, so this is the bigger one inside, so this is gonna fit perfectly in there, as you can see. Okay, again, lefty loosey. So it's gonna be a little bit tight. Yep. Once you loose it up, all you have to do, just do it like this. It's more easier. And it's just quicker this way. So the reason why you would want to do that, or there's plenty of reasons, but one of the main reasons why you'd want to remove the seat cover is to be able to access the battery. So the reason why I'm doing it is because my battery has gone flat and I've bought a battery charger instead of new battery, so it only costed me $27, so not really a lot. So I'm just gonna give it a go and see how it goes. If it works great. Otherwise I might have to get a new battery. So we'll do the same thing on the other side of the seat. Just have to remove the other side as well, the side of the fairing. Okay, so we're just removing the other side, the right hand side. Perfect. It's out now. Wonderful. Then just wiggle. Just easy. So you don't have to push without hard because you don't want to break them. Just have to wiggle, and that's the only safer technique to take it out. Awesome. So this one was out as well. So I'm just gonna keep it right hand side with the screw. So left and right, both sides out. And we need the bigger. Again, you'll have to remove the bigger screw from this side as well. So once again, As you can see, the seat has already started to move because it's loose now. So it's gonna be pretty straightforward. Just removing it is easy. The pattern you wanna remove it is you wanna go pull it backwards. Okay. So you just wanna this way. Two hands. Okay, so definitely you're gonna need 2 hands to be able to do that. So the seat is out. So you've got the access to the internal compartment. Okay, so now we'll have to remove these switches to be able to access the battery. Okay, next step is to undo these switches, otherwise you will not be able to access the battery. I also had to remove this screw that was there, otherwise this is not going to move. So you unscrew this one and then remove these. You just have to put maybe a screwdriver just in here, press, and it will come out. So once you do that, you're going to need 2 hands. So once you do that, and then there it is, the battery, as you can see. So I'll be back in a moment. Okay, this part is a little bit tricky. So what you have to do is have a screwdriver, flathead, and then chuck, push it inside here with one hand, and then with the other hand you just have to unplug this. So it's a bit tricky. You just have to use a bit of a technique here. Push it inside with the other hand, just unplug it. Okay, once you've unscrewed them, you just have to this bit. So this bit will be attached to the bottom of these cables. You just have to wiggle it out. So remove this one. Okay, make sure you do that. Put it aside. Get close to the seat. Okay, now you just have got access to the battery. Okay, so this is the red plus minus. You still got to unscrew these, unscrew both of them to be able to remove the battery. Okay folks, here we are. The battery's out. Ta-da! Okay folks, so as you can see, I've connected my the Enco battery charger with my motorbike battery. It's pretty small because for motorbikes 12 volts. So as indicated in the instructions, so it's connected. So the red light is to show that it's connected correctly. Yellow indicates that it's charging. So once it's fully charged, so the light next to the yellow is the green one. So this one will light up, indicating that the battery is fully charged. So what I'm gonna leave it for about 4 to 5 hours and keep an eye to make sure that it doesn't blow off, because you don't want to overcharge the battery. It's gonna take about 4 to 5 hours depending on how we go. Remember that this charger is pretty cheap. It's $27 bought from Kmart. So it's not a $500 charger. It's not a $300 charger. It's just a generic cheap Chinese battery charger. So see how we go. Okay guys, I've put the I charged the battery overnight for about 4.5 hours. So I put the battery back. So I'm gonna put these switches back as well and the seat back, and then give it a go if the bike actually runs. Okay, see how we go. Okay guys, I've put the seat back on now. So I'm just gonna give it a go and see if it works. Smith.